Hello, today in this video we will be assembling the FEIERDUN FP953 adjustable utility barbell weight bench with Ellis, our professional personal trainer here in Manchester. Firstly, open up the main body. Next, put the two 10 bolts into the two holes correspondingly located in the middle of the bench. After, erect the body and open the front foot support. Grab and use the M10 fix knob to fasten the equipment tight. Finally, insert the foot support into the front frame with the M10 hole knob. And there you have it, a visual assembly of the FEIERDUN adjustable utility barbell weight bench.